Are you here for the Zoom tour? I guess I'm not ready yet.
Hey you guys, welcome to Mish Vlogs.
Hello world!
Very happy new year. So today on New Year, I'm gonna show you Quad. I'm gonna give you a tour of Quad. If you don't know what that is, it is basically York University student residence. So I'm gonna show you what the building has, what amenities does the building has, and followed by a room tour. And then we're also gonna talk about the numbers, but that's gonna be at the end of the video. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. I hope you guys really like it. So starting off, I'm going to take you towards the lounge, or maybe, it's the main hall. So it's right on the ground floor. It's so visible here. This is a pretty decoration they've done for Christmas. And yeah, they did set up a Christmas tree as well. Thank God they didn't took it off for my video. Yeah, and I think that's it. Good for gathering around. Now I'm going to take you towards the most important thing. Very important. So this right here is the column for washers, and over here is all the dryer. I think it just takes 2.75 for the washer and 2.75 for the dryers as well. I think you can get your clothes done for the washing and drying in maybe 2 hours. So they've also given a small washing space over here. You can use this for washing, just a normal dustbin. And then it's not a coin laundry, but you need this card to have access to the laundry. And if you don't have one, you can get one from over here. You can also recharge your card from here if you don't have balance in that. So that's it for us. On the way there's an ATM, very functional. As you walk by, there's a vending machine right here, so if you have midnight cravings or something like that, you can always come here. They usually post some notice over here, so it's kind of a notice board. You'll see that there's a mail room over here. So usually when you have your parcels come in, they give you a QR code which you can scan right here, and then the box opens immediately. So there's no worry about losing your parcel or something. They've also given a mail key over here, so you can use it. I won't tell you which one's mine, but yeah, you can surely use that to open your mailbox as well. So yeah, that's it. This can take you upwards towards the room, but we're not going to go there right now. Let me show you the gym before that. Yeah. So over here, you can either dim the lights or you can turn them to the complete brightness. Nothing crazy, but yes, it does work. So if you just have to come down and do the gym. Yes, I work out over here every day, as you can see by my body.
You serious?
No, it's not the same gym as you can see. So as you saw, that this is the cardio and the yoga room. So they're giving you all the cycling, they're also giving you mats. And then coming out, there's another gym right outside. As you can right here, they're also giving you some workout and keep stuff. And then yeah, this is the gym, the main one. Not going to record it completely because there are a few people using it. So let's go outside. That was a clear shot. So if you're bored, you can come here with your friends. You can play football or you can play pool here. There's also enough seating space over here. And I think it's perfect for a friend gathering. think I just found the perfect spot to do the parties. So I can call my friends right here. I can play some music. I can do a movie night. There's enough seating space over here. And then if I want to cook, so I can cook something right here. There's an island over here as well with some marsh trees. A normal functional cooktop with an oven and an exhaust. They've got a study room right inside as well. So when you're here, and if you need to go somewhere quiet, they've given a study room right here. I think it's a good space for a group of friends studying. So they have these floors, these party halls on every floor. There are 8 floors and there are these party halls in every floor. You do not have to book them, you can just come here with your friends if they are free and if nobody is using them. So you can just come straight away and you can use them. You can also call your friends and do a party night, you can do a movie night. Sometimes Squad itself organizes a few movie nights and stuff as well. So yeah, it's a great space to have fun with your friends. So this was the main building. As you come right outside of the main building, which is the 85 building, you can see right there is Seneca. And over there is a shop. So it's alright, you just have to come down and then go to the bus stop. So it's pretty convenient. And then right over there, as you cross the intersection, is Seneca. To cross Seneca is the point over here if you need to get the phone, grocery like that. So the gym and the main amenities, the bigger gym and the main amenities are in this room. So 85 and 115 is a part of phase 2, which was recently built. As you can see, here's a little directory. So this one was 85 and now I'm going to take you to 115. So the laundry room and the smaller gym that you saw belongs to 115. As you go by 115, you're going to see that there are so many eating spots. So here is Burger King, the first spot, and the most demanded spot. Right across Burger King, you'll see that there is Osmos as well. And you walk by. I don't think anybody uses this in the winter, but yeah, I think it's very interesting to have with your phone. Yeah, it's always crowded. Burger King is always crowded. If you want to eat something healthy, there's salads as well. You can have the sandwiches, you eat sandwiches. There's okay noodles for ramens and everything like that. And there's delicious for your sweet. So there are 2 ways to open the building. As you saw that this was a gym that we just saw, smaller one. And then there are 2 ways to open the building. I can either use a fob and scan it, or I can just swipe it like this. As you see, the door is unlocked. One thing that I find very convenient about the place is that they have so many accessible buttons in the room finally. You go up. And then you need a scanner over here as well, so you can't go up without a phone.
Now finally I'm going to show you my room.
So finally, it's time to show you the room tour as well. As you walk by in, you'll see that there are 2 mirrors over here. It's a washer and dryer. No, I'm just kidding. I showed you the washer and dryer downstairs. So it's just a double mirrored closet. Say hi to the mirror. Yeah, this is a thermostat right here. So it's for turning on the heat, increasing the heat. Currently, it's turned off as you can see because I don't need heat at all. So right when you walk in here is the restroom. It's a good space for 2 people as well. So here's just a mirror, sink, toilet, and then it's a good space, I think. And yes, the shower. So they've given additional vanity over here. This is for storage. So once you open it, there's storage right behind this. Come out of the washroom, you'll see that there's a kitchen over here. Not crazy, but like I said, that it works for maybe 1 person or 2. It's a good space. As you can see that there's enough storage. And then here's the cooktop. They've just given 2 cooktops over here. And then here's the microwave. So the microwave and obviously the cooktop was included. The air fryer is personal, and here's just a little setup for washing your utensils and turning them after you're done. So yes, this is the kitchen if you want to have a look at it. And then right beside the kitchen is the refrigerator. I think it's a good sized refrigerator as well for 1 or 2 people, like I said. And then as you move forward, you'll see that there's storage units over here. So whatever you see matching the floor colors is given by the quad itself. So like these storage units, they are given by the quad. No, the TV wasn't given by the quad, it's personal. And then I've done a little decoration with my shoe boxes over here. No, I just didn't have enough space to keep them, so I just did this. And then this is personal as well. The chair and the table. Just a little spot for your tea and coffee, as you can see outside. Here is the bed. Nothing crazy, but yeah, I think it's a twin XL bed. Good space. And yeah, here's the table. Here's the chair. So the chair is personal. The table, as you can see, it's matching the floor, and it was given by the quad again. These computers are personal. And then here's a LCD. I think it's either 32 or 34 inches, and it's personal as well. So one thing I really like about this room is that this big window. I really like how you wake up and you can see right outside, and there's a good view. As you can see, my favorite spot, Osmos, right there. And you'll see that as you cross the intersection over there, you can see that there's buses coming right there as well. So there's a bus stop right there. Yeah, just give me a close look of the room. I know you guys have been waiting for the numbers, so let's talk about that now. So this room that you just saw, it's a studio room. The type is 11C. So this complete room is for about, I think, 1700 plus utilities. So for utilities, you have to pay extra for the hydro, for the heat, for the water and the electricity. You just get a bill on your portal, and that is how you just pay for the electricity. There are other fees associated with the room as well. For example, if you're taking the room from somebody as a sublease, or if you're taking a lease transfer, there's a $300 fees as well. So you need to talk about that in advance with the person from whom you're taking the lease. So either they can pay the complete amount, either you both have to pay the half amount, like $150 each, or it's just up to you. And then how can you find a room like this? So there's a quad website that I will link down below. So you can just go on the quad website, and then you can see that there are different room styles. There's like I said, that this is 11C, which means that it's a studio apartment. And then you'll also see that there are 1 bedroom but bigger in sizes as well. There are 2 bedrooms, there are 3 bedrooms, there are 4 bedrooms as well. So you can just see whatever suits you, and you can just fill the information for that. You can just tell quad that you are interested. You can email them that you're just interested in this suite style, and then you're willing to take a lease for this. However, this is not the fastest way to get that. If you're in a hurry and you want to get a room in quad, you can just keep an eye on the quad subleasing Facebook page, which I will link down below as well. So yeah, just keep an eye on that. People are usually posting if they are willing to sublease or transfer their lease. So that is how you can get a room quickly. If by chance you think that you do not want to get a room in quad, or if you're not able to get a room in quad, there's a village right next to the quad as well. So you can find townhouses and other rooms over there as well. So I myself stayed there for a year and a half, and there are good houses there. So yeah, if this doesn't work for you, you can always find a room over there. A few things that I really like about this place is that, as you saw, the amenities are so convenient. You just have to go down. There's no membership fees. You don't have to travel for hours, and you can just go down to the gym. You can use the pool table, you can use the foosball, you can arrange a party, you can organize a party, and then yeah, so that's really great for me. And then I think there's a courtyard as well, so you can use that for barbecue parties. And then there's a table tennis over there as well, but I didn't show that to you because it is closed because of the winters. And yeah, another thing I really like about the place is that as you walk down, you can just find your favorite eating spots like Burger King, Osmos, and you can find so many other. There's Aroma over there as well. So I think that's really amazing. You just have to go down the elevator and you can have access to so many amenities. A lot of people think that only the students of York University can get a room over here, but that's not true. Even if you are studying from Seneca at York, you can still register for a room over here. You can show your ID, and you just need a proof that you're a student of Seneca at York, and even then you can take a room over here. So if you watched the video till here, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day ahead. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Hope you have a great new year.
So what should I say now? Toodles.